In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you various different vehicle route and stop types, how to add and edit these different types, how to assign them to warehouses and drivers, and also how to view them afterwards. Okay, so I've got the home screen up here. I'll quickly just take you down under Route Management, under Routes, and then here we have the three different types. So first I'll show you route types. On this page is where you define your different route types for which you then ascribe to warehouses and drivers. So as you can see, various different route types, we can define different routes by whether they have high traffic, whether they're specific to a sector such as restaurants, or whether there are no traffic restrictions and so on. You can see we've got the name of the route there. For easy identification, we've got the home branch that route is associated with, the vehicle that it's associated with, and the warehouse as well. If you click this Actions tab, you can edit any route type. So here, you can change the name, description. We've got the route starting time and end time, the average service time in minutes for each customer, the default vehicle that would be set for that route, other information such as the warehouse, the home branch, and the type, as well as you saw before, and also the product groups that are usually associated with that route as well. If I take you back here and you want to add a new route type, you would simply just need to click Add up in this corner, and again you can see all this information here, and you would simply just click Save. So if I take you now into route types, we've got a similar sort of screen. As you can see, we've got color indicators to show you which type of route it is. You've got the type there, the name, and the description there as well. And similarly to before, you can click any one to add. You can include a color here, and this just makes planning and then monitoring the routes much easier, because you can skim over the page and you know where to allocate certain route types to. So if I show you now, take you for an example into the route planner. You can see the color coordinated various different stop types here. So now if I take you back into routes and we go into stop types here, you can see again a similar sort of thing. We've got the code for the stop type, the color that indicates what sort of stop it is. So as you can see, this one described as time sensitive. Orange indicates that it's a VIP customer. Yellow indicates test for stop types, and blue also indicates for driver's stop. If you click again, you can edit, you can change the color there, you can change the description and the average service time in minutes as well. And similarly with the other two types, you can choose to add and create a new of your own as well, so you can see just down there. Okay, so now I'll show you how to customize and define your different vehicle types. So if you click underneath vehicles, firstly I'll just show you in this tab here. You can see these are all the vehicles that the company has input into the system, all the vehicles they have. So you've got the vehicle ID, the description, the license plate, the vehicle type, whether it's a truck, a light commercial vehicle or so on, and you've got the default driver for that vehicle as well. You can also choose to edit any of these as per your preferences. So also here you've got the brand of the car and the model and the year, the MOT expiry date, and a few more details in here as well. If I take you into vehicle types, you can see this is where you categorize your different vehicles. So maybe you have 20 different vehicles and they go into 3 different categories, 4 different categories. So you'd have descriptions like light commercial vehicles, whether it's a truck, whether it's a pickup vehicle, whether it's for small goods, whether it's a mini truck and so on, a light vehicle there. And again, you can edit any of these as you wish, or you can simply just add your own as well. So we've got the type, the description, the bay count there, max package count, the max weight, and the empty weight. Okay, so once you're in the route planner, you can see here this is how the vehicle types are defined. It's an easy indication. If you just hover over the vehicle symbol there, which indicates at first that it's a van sales stop, you can see we have the details that were input before, such as the vehicle type, the max weight, and the max amount of packages that vehicle is allowed to carry.